Hello friends, my name is Akash Patel, and this is the part 4 of software process. So, let's see the part 4 process improvement and metrics. Let's start. What is the improvement? Process improvements means finding a way to make process development better. This can means higher quality, faster delivery, lower cost. So, why improve? To stay competitive, to avoid repeating mistakes, to make users happier. If you last app had many bugs, you are improves the testing process in your step project to reduce error. So this is the process improvement. We need to the process improvement. Okay, let's see the next slides. Way to improve software processes. There are two common approaches. Like first one is a process maturity. So follow well-known steps and best practices. It about doing things in a structured way, like having clear checklist. So second one is agile improvement. Focus on working software and fast updates. Teams learn by doing, reviewing, and changing based on what works. For example, in process maturity, a company uses a strict plan with a report and reviews. In agile, a team meets every week to discuss what's working and what's not, and they adjust quickly. So let's see the measurement and analysis for improvements. Measuring our process helps us understanding what working and what need fixing. When we track the right thing, we can make smarter decision and build better software faster. So, what to measure? Time taken, how long each task takes, coding and features. Second one is a resource used, how many people, tools were needed. Third one is a defect rate, how many bugs we find in our software. Why it matters, why it matters, right? Spot slow steps like testing taking too long and speed them up. See if we are spending too much on certain tasks and adjust resources, reduce bugs by aiming for fewer error in each release. For example, last month our team spent 10 day testing. So let's see the scenario. One team spent the 10 days for the testing and found 50 bugs. By measuring these, we decided to add automated test. This change cut testing time to 6 days and reduce bug to 30. So this is help to this measurement and analysis for the improvement help to make the software better and faster, and also we reduce the cost, also we reduce the time. Then it's benefits it beneficial for the team and companies. So all these are the processes, like how we make the software, how we improve, how we update, how we launch the software. So this is the part of the software engineering. So I hope you understand what am I saying, I am trying to saying. Is there any mistakes? So please apology to me. Okay, so uh, forgive me. Thank you for watching my video. So please like, share, subscribe. If you like my video, please like, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content on software engineering. Thank you so much.